So now in this experiment we will be doing Biuret test. Biuret test is a test to detect proteins in food sample. So we have taken egg white as a food sample because this egg white is rich in proteins. So to do this Biuret test, we require two solutions: 1% copper sulfate solution and 5% sodium hydroxide solution. How do you prepare 1% copper sulfate solution? We should take 100 ml water. In the 100 ml water, you add 1 gram copper sulfate. Then that gives you 1% copper sulfate solution. And how do you prepare 5% sodium hydroxide solution? Take 100 ml water and add 5 grams sodium hydroxide. You will get 5% sodium hydroxide solution. So we will also prepare the solutions. I am taking 100 ml of water. This is distilled water. I have taken 100 ml water, and this also I will take 100 ml water. Okay, in each I have taken 100 ml water. In this 100 ml water, I will mix this 1 gram copper sulfate solution. So 100 ml water is containing 1 gram copper sulfate solution. This is called as 1% copper sulfate solution. Now how do I prepare 5% sodium hydroxide solution? In 100 ml water, I will add 5 grams of sodium hydroxide. 5 grams of sodium hydroxide. So what does this contain? 100 ml water has 1 gram copper sulfate. That gives you 1% copper sulfate solution. And this has 100 ml water has 5 grams sodium hydroxide solution. That gives you 5% sodium hydroxide solution. Now what we will do is we will take this food sample and add 1 ml of this 1% copper sulfate solution and 5 ml of this 5% sodium hydroxide solution. And if the food sample turns purple color, not blue, purple color, then that food sample has proteins. So what I will do is I will take this food sample, this egg white, just cutting it to pieces. Okay, so I have taken this egg white. In this egg white, what I will do is I will add 5 ml of this. I have just taken a syringe so that I can see this 5 ml. 5 ml I will take. Yeah, this is 5 ml. I have taken 5 ml of 5% sodium hydroxide solution. So what did I do first? I have added 5 ml of 5% sodium hydroxide solution. Then I will add 1 ml of this copper sulfate solution, 1% copper sulfate solution. I will just add 1 ml. 1 ml, or you can just add 8 drops. 8 drops is 1 ml. 8 drops or 1 ml. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see the purple color? The purple color. It is blue, slowly turns to purple color. The brinjal white purple color. Can you see the egg white slowly turning to purple color? So what did we do? We added first 5 ml of 5% sodium hydroxide, and then we added 1 ml of 1% copper sulfate solution. If this food sample contains proteins, it turns violet color. Why does it turn violet color? The cupric ions, Cu2 plus ions of copper sulfate, they will react with a peptide bond and form some coordinate complex compound which is purple color. So if you get this purple color, it's a positive Biuret test which indicates presence of proteins. No purple color, no proteins. Is that clear? This is called as Biuret test.